Hey guys, welcome to Geek on Tech TV. We're gonna do the iPhone 13 Pro unboxing today. It's in graphite color. It's a 256 if anyone cares. I just want to show you guys the color. I know there's a lot of people buying phones going into the holiday season, and maybe this is just another video that you can see of this phone. And we're gonna do a live unboxing, right? I'm sure you guys know all the specs and everything. In my opinion, this is phone of the year. The 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max, I think they're both phones of the years. Superb camera, awesome video quality, awesome battery life. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. Before we jump into it though, if you guys like what you guys are seeing, please comment, subscribe. Let's chat about tech. You know, I love technology. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for supporting Geek on Tech TV. So let's jump right into it. This is obviously all sealed up here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of an ASMR here with the little tabs here. It's one tab. Sorry for the phone moving. Okay, that's the other tab. And let's open up the box here. So this is what you get when you get inside the box. Yeah, typical box, whatever. This is the phone itself. I mean, it's beautiful. Love this color. In my opinion, this is probably the best color that they made this year. This one, and I don't know, I'm low-key kind of attracted to I guess just excited about the gold one. The gold one's actually, I don't know why. I think that's kind of like the sleeper color this year. Oh, hold on a second. I don't know why some people like that. So that's that. We'll turn it on here. I mean, it's just gonna go straight to the setup screen. What you get in the box, you get, looks like some, oh wow, they did a SIM ejector tool. Wow, I feel like they haven't been including these. I have the 13 Pro Max, but I didn't check the box. Comes with stickers, this fancy little thing. Of course, you still get the cable, no headphones, no charging brick. Apple, that's ridiculous, dude. Don't you guys know we're in a pandemic, man? Don't you guys want to help the people? You know, I understand we want to help the environment, but like, look, most people don't have the new charging brick, the fast charging brick. I get it. I know you guys want to sell it, but come on, man. There's people spending some hard-earned money for these phones. This is serious. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys this. I will share with you guys my full review in my review video, but thank you guys so much for watching. That was just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro in graphite color, and we will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you guys later.